Hey guys, Valerian here. I'm one of the co-creators of coffeecourses.com, which is an online version of Boot Coffee Campus, which is a school for coffee professionals a little bit north of San Francisco in a beautiful San Rafael, California. Thank you so much for purchasing Coffee Pro membership, and we really appreciate you, and we really hope you're going to vastly improve your coffee knowledge and you can do magic with that in the coffee industry, because we know knowledge is one of the most important assets one can have. Once you purchase the course, you receive an email, but many of you are still asking me, how can I access my courses? So let me show you, because I know we changed the system a little bit and we keep changing it, keep improving it. So let me show you where can you find your courses. First of all, you have to log in, okay? Obviously, I assume you have a membership, either Roaster Apprentice or our flagship Coffee Pro, and with that you can access the courses. So now if you log in, you can see you don't see anything. This is your dashboard. There are no courses. There's nothing. Actually, it does says no courses found, and some of you freak out, but don't worry. All you have to do is just add those courses to your dashboard. So if you are a Coffee Pro member, all the courses on the system are free. So obviously we go to paid courses because that's what we want, the premium courses. And you can scroll down to any of these courses and then decide which ones you want to take right now. You can take them all, but you can just, take it slow. And let's say we just added these brewing and extraction and coffee grinding concepts. So let me see, maybe I want to do the coffee grinding concepts, okay? So you as you saw, there was a price tag there, but don't worry about that, because for you that is free as a member. So all you have to do is just click start course, and suddenly you are in. So click again start course, and there you go. This is the first lesson about the grinder types. And here is the whole curriculum of the course. And you can skip if you want to, but obviously we don't recommend that. I mean, you should go video by video. And basically that's it. And now if you will go to your dashboard, then you will see, click on your courses, and there they are. I mean, there it is, coffee grinding concepts. If you go to your dashboard, you can see it here, courses, coffee grinding concepts. Now, let's do this again, okay? So again, very easy. Click on paid courses, because obviously one of premium courses. Select the course, let's say Mastering Roast Profiles. Ignore the price tag, okay? Don't care about the price tag. Click on it. Click on Start Course. And just start it. Once you started it, you can study. You want to come back to it, go to your dashboard, and there are your courses now, plural, right? Because now you started Mastering Roast Profiles and Coffee Grinding Concepts. Same here, go courses, and you can see them here. So I hope this helps you. Happy learning. And if you have any questions, hit this icon here and you can chat with me when I'm online. If not, I'll read your messages later. Thank you so much, and have fun. Bye.